In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the power button not working on your Fire TV Stick remote. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. It's very simple to do. You basically just have to make the remote recognize and the Fire TV Stick recognize that you're on, the specific TV that you're on. So what you want to do is go to Equipment Control in your settings, then go to Manage Equipment, and then go to Fire TV, or go to TV where it says fine tune how Fire TV controls your TV. So go to that right there, and what you want to do is press change TV at the bottom. It says guided cell will take 5 to 10 minutes, but it doesn't take that long at all. So you just gotta wait for this to happen. It says turning off your TV, and you can go turn it on and off, then change the volume using your Amazon Fire Stick. Then just choose the brand of TV you have so you can recognize it and it properly gets calibrated. So mine is Samsung. And now it says your Fire TV remote has been updated. Yours might take longer or a shorter amount of time depending on your TV. And that's literally it. Now what I can go ahead and do is I can change the volume up and down however I want. It's literally as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other Amazon Fire TV Stick videos that we've been posting on the channel.